How to find saved reels on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, at the bottom you can see tons of different options. Click on the Reel section. Now let me save one of this reel. Click on this 3-dot icon right over here. And then tap on Save option. You can also start a collection. If not, now go back and head over to your profile. In order for you to find a saved reels, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, inside How You Use Instagram, you can see the option Saved. Click on it and then tap on All Posts. Over here you can see the Reel option. Click on it. And there you go. Now you will be able to see all of the reels that you have saved on Instagram. You can click on it and watch the reels. So this is simply how you can find saved reels on Instagram. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.